What's up, guys? Welcome to Quantum Ascend. I have DSYNC, Destra Network, up on the screen, the one-day price chart. Last time we checked in, receipts, June 25th, right here. I said, guys, the breakdown is over. We talked about the video before that, this crashing pattern, 5 beautiful waves down, rolling back up into wave 4 for 6, and taking out 5 one more time for 7. That was complete. People were worried this was going to keep dropping. We knew it was done. So here we are. Came up, drew this trend line. Sure enough, and that was at this point in time. Sure enough, ended up hitting that trend line, rejecting, finding support down here with a bunch of these lows, and then bouncing. So right now, everything looks great, guys. Ethereum in breakout mode. Destra up 6%, which I understand. 6% isn't, super exciting when we've been in this range, on the low end of this range for its entirety, back to May of last year, right? But I mean, the upside right now, guys, we broke out of this downtrend. We back tested it. If I draw here, if we connect these outermost there, got that one. We back tested it beautifully, and now it's moving up. So I expect this thing to get going here into its, that's in a different count than everywhere else, but into its alt season start, guys. So for this, other alts are going on like a wave 3 right now of 5. This set a new low, so this price movement could be a little bit different. Instead of 5 waves up, we could see like A, B, C, and go watch. I'm not saying that this is where this price is going. I'm just showing you that, from a price movement level, a lot of these things have already completed waves 1 and 2, and now they're working on 3, 4, 5. But since this set a new low, there's a chance the count's a little bit different. It's going to be an ABC more than likely. And then within that ABC, you'll have your 5 waves, right? That could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. And again, I'm not saying that that's where these prices are going on this wave. I'm just showing you how this works and how this price moves and what we're looking at for Destra specifically. Because again, a lot of the rest of the market's going into a third wave here, but because this set a new low, it's not a third wave. It's more than likely an A wave, okay? Same thing, all good, just same, but different, but still same, right? So things look really good for Destra here. Oops, let me open this up. Yup, we got the stochastic RSI, the relative strength index, up above this 60 line. So you can see that from this point in time right here, we've been above it the whole time, and we've been moving up. You go back in time, that's when we get the most price movement. So let's do this. Above 60 right there. The RSI popped above 60. Dropped below it over here. Right, say right there. So had you just traded that strategy, the RSI, you would have made 161% on DSYNC. Right? So we just need this thing to get weaving up here. Same thing over here. Look, it broke right there, dropped right there. Let's see, where would you have been? There to there. 64%. So we just got to get it up there. Let's let it waddle. We want to see something happen like this too with the MACD. And the MACD is the momentum. Something big, get a big pop up above the 0 line. We've been flirting with it for a while, but we're starting to get that. We're getting a little curl up, and this thing's starting to go a little vertical, and we should hopefully start seeing these this positive momentum increasing. These green bars getting bigger and stronger, and then these lines just curling more up, because when we get vertical is when the price gets vertical. So we're right there. We're waiting on it, guys. Destra definitely going to be participating here. Again, go check out my Altseason target for it. Next time we get together, I'll get into the wave 3s. We still have, more than likely a couple weeks before these wave 3s wrap up. So we'll get back around to Destra. I'm finally in a normal routine again. I'm going to start cranking these things out for you guys here on X. But for those of you that do want to go deeper, learn a little bit more, just open the Quantum Circle, real-time trades, portfolio access, the macro. The Discord channel went live yesterday. It has been electric, absolutely popping, and we're doing a TA course too. So it's a lot of fun, learning a lot, and I've shown them some indicators. Like, they've known days ahead of time that this was happening. Today's just the first day it happened, so go check that out. If not, completely understandable. It's all good. I'm just happy you're here. If you could follow, like, repost. I've been doing TA a long time, and I want to help as many of you guys as I can. So thanks again. I'll talk to you later.